Hello and welcome to our video tutorial on online registration. Please open the Koblenz University Library website. You will find the link on our homepage under Online Registration. After clicking on the two links, you will be automatically redirected to the input form. Here you can read through all the information at your own pace and fill out the form. You will find your student ID number on your student ID card. At this point, you are welcome to pause the video and fill out the information at your own pace. After submitting the form, you can activate your account with your student ID and your ID card. Please bring your valid ID card or an official proof of your current address with you. In the library, we differentiate between service and opening hours. During service hours, librarians are on the site to activate your card and offer general services and advice. You can visit the library during our opening hours, but we cannot offer you the full range of services at this time. If you have any questions, please contact us via phone or mail.